Hey.
So what's the matter? You look kind of sullen.
Dude, there's been this guy he's been coming in every once in a while for the past couple of hours. He's coming in and he says like, I'm the plumber, and then he leaves.
He's just coming in and he's saying I'm the plumber, and then he's walking back out again.
No, I've seen him a few times in the past. I've just been sitting here. I don't know who he is. I don't know how he got in the house. It's.
Hey, it's me, the plumber!
Just like that.
Like that.
Who is that guy? Do you know that guy? Do you know that guy?
I don't know. It's kind of weird. I don't really get it either.
Oh, you guys, the plumber! It's me, the plumber!
Well, a little bit, because I don't like strangers coming in my house.
Yeah. Yeah, you just don't know today. You don't know if you're safe or not. You can lock the door, but I mean, you know, criminals know how to get through locks.
Yeah.
It's me, the plumber!
Oh!
So why don't you just, if you don't know who he is, why don't you just ask him?
I'm afraid to ask him who he is. What if he says he's a criminal?
Yeah, you're right.
It's just really weird, right? I mean, has that ever happened to you?
Hey, it's you. Just calm down.
You're sitting in your room and just a strange man just came in and just
It's me, the plumber!
does that. What the fuck was that?
Get him before he stops. Get him before he gets out of the door.
I don't know.
The plumber is here, the plumber!
The plumber. He's singing it now. It's me, the plumber. What does that mean? Where did?
The plumber!